A lady was walking her dogs when she spotted a pet carrier at the bottom of a ditch. It wasn't empty. There was a ginger cat trapped inside. Her timing couldn't have been better as there was a snowstorm approaching. The poor kitty wouldn't have stood a chance on his own. The helpless ginger was abandoned with no food and water. There wasn't even a blanket inside to help him cope with the cold. The kind lady took the carrier to the nearest animal shelter, Wolcott Dog Pound, and they were happy to take in this adorable boy. They shared the story on social media to see if anybody would come forward with info on how the cat had ended up all alone in a ditch. The shelter stated, "This is not how you rehome any animal. Abandoning a pet to fend for itself is cruel and inhumane." Luckily, the poor kitty was now in good hands. The shelter took care of the ginger and he was soon put up for adoption. And it didn't take long for him to find his forever home. Thanks to these kind people, the beautiful ginger kitty finally got a chance at a happy life.